Hello, myself Mohammad Uwais Khan of CSC ANML is here to give a presentation and my topic is sampling. Now, now let us see what is a population. Collection of all the items related to an inquiry is called population. What is a sample? Sample is a representative part of the population. What is sampling? The process of selecting sample from the population is called sampling. Now let's see the diagram where the left side is the population of TV produced by a factory. The possible sample will be every 20th TV or the children's pant made by a factory for an every 30th pant or a bus in a city checking for 10 different routes or a tire produced by a manufacturer or 5 types of tire produced. Now let us understand why sampling is important. Why do we take why do we use sampling or why do we take a sample? Why do we take a sample? Too expensive or too item consuming to survey an entire population. Simple random samplings. It is a process of drawing a sample from a population in which each and every unit has equal chance of including in a sample and are divided into SR simple random samplings with replacement and without replacement. Simple random sample. Every subset of a specified size and form the population has simple random sample. Every subset of a specified size and simple random sampling. Simple random sample. Every subset of a specified size and form the population has equal chance of being selected. A subset of the population, for an example. Sample random sampling without replacement. If selected unit is not replaced before the second draw, then sampling method is called simple random sampling without replacement. Simple random sampling with replacement. After a unit has been selected by this method, it may or may not be replaced from the second draw if the replacement before the next draw is simple random sampling with replacement. Some examples. For example, if we catch a fish, measure them, and immediately return into the water before counting the sample, it is a it is a weird it is of a this is of a WR design where we might end up catching and measuring the same fish once more. Some example. For example, if we catch a fish, measure them, and immediately return them into the water before counting the sample, this is a WR design because we might end up catching and measuring the same shape. Some example. For example, if we catch a fish, measure them, and immediately return them into the water before counting the sample, this is a WR design because we might end up catching and measuring the same fish more than once. However, if we don't return fish into the water, it becomes a WRO design. Difference of sampling with and without replacement. When we sample When we sample with replacement, the two values are independent. This means first result does not affect second result, but when we sample without replacement, then the first result affect the happening of the second result. Type of simple random sampling. There are two types of method selecting a simple random sampling. First one is the lottery method. Second one is a random number table. Lottery method. In this method, all the items in the population are named or numbered serially or separated slips of paper and have an identical shape, size, and are mixed in the bowl. Then required number of slips are selected at random. simple random sampling. For example, output of a class of 50 students where 15 are to be selected to take part in a fest. Step 1. Assigning roll numbers from 1 to 50 to each student, writing each number on the piece of paper, placed in a hat and mixing up, and drawing 50 numbers from the hat. The random number table. Lottery method is difficult to adopt if size of the population is very large. In such case, random numbers tables are used. Of, of the table, pipette table is the most popular one, which consists of 10,400 sets of 4-digit random numbers. Example, suppose we want to select a size of 15 from the population of 5,000, then the number all 500 items from 1 to 5,000. For example, suppose we want to select a sample of size 15 from a population of 5,000, then number them then suppose we want to select a sample of 15 from a population of 5,000, then number all the 5,000 item from 1 to 5,000. Select a page at random from the table and choose the first 15 numbers which are less than or equal to 15. By this brings us to the end of the PPT. Thank you.